nigga, let me fuck y'all head up, man. We trying to go to the exhaust side, man, but we leaking out this thing. The damn, oh well, shit, we leaking coolant too. With the damn motherfucking starter wire touched the transmission line, burnt the hole in that thing. You can't see that shit. Long story short, the motherfucker leaking transmission fluid. I gotta go to the crib and pull this whole back home and fix that shit. Then I guess change the radiator, huh? Yeah. Fuck it though, this hoe was sliding. Yeah, I ain't hiding nothing. This bitch about to be good. Huh? You done fucking broke down. We done, shit, that shit was a little sketchy, man. You know what I mean? I had to fix the transmission line, new radiator, at the corner store. You know what I mean? The old one right there. You know what I'm saying? And we about to head to the motherfucking exhaust shop. Hopefully we gonna make it, but we good. Yeah, we gonna be good.
Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Alright, man, we done made it to the motherfucking muffler shop. Yeah. He like, what the fuck? He said he's too short for that mug. Hey, this side don't look bad. This side look good. It's the other side. But she running though. We got a few things to button up. Choo. That motherfucker leaking oil right now. I gotta find out where it's leaking oil from. That's nice in that mug, dog. That's where the money at. As long as the dad's good, the rest of the car pretty much A1. Hell yeah. Damn, he gonna get a taller nigga to drive this, so type of shit is that. Alright, man, it's raining bad out there. This motherfucker leaking oil. I'm trying to figure out if it's from the rear main seal or if it's from something up there. But it's leaking oil. I need to find out from where. So we just gonna drop it off, get the exhaust welded, come back with the trailer and pick it up. And we gonna figure that shit out about the oil leak. Something leaking, man. To make sure nothing leaking before it leave the yard. We about to get the exhaust done. Ain't nothing hanging. Got the drive shaft shorty. That's how that fit. Stay tuned, man. We drove all the way to the exhaust shop. Fuck it. Yes, sir. About to back here, go out.
York Road, Hopper Road.
Alright, YouTube. This motherfucker need a remain seal. It's brand new. But that motherfucker leaking like it's been that motherfucker for 20 years. But she running, man. Yeah. Yeah, this motherfucker live. We're doing 80 on the interstate. She still need a little more work though. There's a few more things I gotta do. We're gonna take the transmission out of it. Change the rear main seal. And go back at it. I don't know if y'all can see that shit, but it's full of all down there, man. I'm gonna fix that shit though. Fuck it. Stay tuned, man. That's it.